think finding the strategies is tough. And the problem is, well, the problem I found was that I read a lot of books with a lot of different strategies, and I just couldn't relate to some of them. Like some of them just didn't feel natural. They didn't fit my personality. I read a lot of books from US stock traders because 25 years ago, or 20 odd years ago, when I was really doing a lot of this research, that was where a lot of the books came from. And I was sitting in Australia looking at the Australian stock market. And I took some of these techniques. It's like, it doesn't work. You know what? It was very frustrating. So it took me a long time to figure out that A, the markets are a little bit different, each market. And B, I needed a method that fit me, because even if the method worked, I felt uncomfortable and unnatural following it sometimes. And so I figured out that it needed to match my personality, because I'm a fairly, I don't like a lot of high, fast-paced action. I like to make decisions sort of slowly and methodically. I didn't want to trade 20 times a day. I didn't want to have to be looking at the screen during the day because I had a full-time job. So these lifestyle and personality constraints that I had to figure out. And my objectives were really about making money, not spending time staring at the market. So it took me a while to zero in on the right strategy to develop a system around. And eventually I found trend following. And again, as soon as I found it, I was like, oh, that's what I've been looking for, And I developed a trend following system after reading a bunch of books about it and started trading it. It was like, oh, this is easy. It just felt natural. But I know other traders who look at trend following and think, God, it's an awful strategy. You got to wait so long to take profits, and there's nothing to do. There's so few trades. So for some people, trend following is great. For other people, mean reversion is great, or something in between. Some people like daily charts. Some people like intraday. Some people like weekly or monthly. So I had to find where I was really best placed for my personality, my objectives, my lifestyle. And once I'd found that, then it became sort of natural, I guess.